Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with safety in place. Cut power at the disconnect and breaker so the compressor cannot start while you work. Once done, protect yourself, gloves and goggles, and position a drip pan under the compressor. Now remove the service port cap and unscrew the oil drain plug slowly. You want controlled flow, not a splash. As oil drains, observe color and contaminants because that tells you whether internal damage exists. Make sure to capture all used oil for proper disposal. Once most oil is drained, you flush the crankcase with the manufacturer-approved solvent to remove varnish and sludge. Use the specified volume so you don't overfill. After adding solvent, rotate the compressor shaft by hand or with appropriate method to loosen deposits, then drain again into the pan. Inspect the drained fluid for metal particles. If present, that signals bearing wear. Make sure to purge residual solvent with dry nitrogen, or let the unit sit to You now add the exact oil type and volume recommended on the compressor nameplate. Precision matters, so measure and pour slowly into the fill port. Once filled to spec, replace the drain plug with a new seal and torque to the manufacturer-specified value to prevent leaks. Restore power and run a brief no-load test while monitoring for abnormal noise, leaks, or pressure changes. If you hear grinding, see metal in fresh oil, or have persistent leaks, stop and investigate. Those are signs of internal failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.